What's happening, guys? Coming at you again with a frequently asked questions segment. This is going to be number 32. We're going to get into some of these questions for you, but first,
these are seriously some of the best headphones I've heard in a long time. The noise cancellation on them is some of the best I've ever experienced. Like, I feel all by myself, isolated. I can hear everything I need to within the mix, and it really makes a big difference.
All right, let's jump right into this. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them for you. But we're going to go ahead and get started on number one. Basshead Audio is the name. So I just bought two Sundown NSv5 12s. I want to get the absolute most out of them. What amp would you recommend, and how much power can I really put on these subs? The motors are huge. I would personally recommend a Sundown Salt 8 or a DOWN4SOUND JP83. That's what I would run on them. They will be beating. And just pay attention to them. You want to make sure that you're not clipping them or anything like that, but they can handle it as long as you don't abuse them. Up next we have Josh Paul. Says, hey JP, I currently run a 370 amp alternator with an excess power D48 battery under the hood with all 2-aught wire. I have a Kicker KXA 2400.1 running a Sundown Audio XV3 Dual 2 wired to 1 ohm. It slams, but I want a second X15. My question to you is, do you think I can get away with running two X15s off of a JP43 and run them well? They will be wired to half ohm. Yes, you can. I think it'll be a great setup, and they'll be able to handle that power no problem. You'll get great power from the JP43 at half ohm. Be sure to purchase a half ohm warranty, so you'll be covered for that. But I think you'll love it. It'll be a great setup for you. Up next, we have Sean Catt. Rapid fire question. First of all, JP, you are the man. Oh yeah. That's right. Would two JP83s be too much for two NSv5s? Yes, it absolutely would be way too much power for them. One of the JP83s would be perfect for the pair of those. You said, I know you run a souped up version of the 5s in the Neo hood, which can probably handle more. Let me know. I was thinking to just send it with the 83s, and hopefully there's a lot of box rise that'll be my buffering excuse for them. I mean, at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want to, but you have to, the amount of power that those put out, like even in my Tahoe, I really have to watch what's going on, because I could destroy all the subs in my truck in the matter of like 5 minutes if I didn't know what to look for and listen for. And I still blow a sub every now and then, and I have like a lot of experience with it. So if you decide to do that, you just have to know that there could be a lesson to be learned, or a couple of them, and doing that if you don't really know what to look for in your system and like when it's playing. Next up, we have Pedro Salazar. It says, I have two 10-inch Resilient Sounds RS series subs pushed by a JP23 at 1 ohm, powered by a 4800 full throttle battery to a DOWN4SOUND LTO 6.0 with a D4S 500 Farad cab bank. Man, you got all kind of DOWN4SOUND stuff in there. I love it. Think they can handle a whole lot more. What JP amp would you recommend? I'm not too familiar with the Resilient Sounds subwoofers. I think those handle 750 or 1000 watts a piece. So if this is so and they're a little bit underrated, you could probably go with the JP23 version 2 or a JP33, and I think that'll get you to where you want to be on your setup. I thought that was the last one. We have one more question left. The next one is from Thomas Hainer, or Honor. Should I get another 6.0 DOWN4SOUND lithium battery, or should I get a SuperCat Bank 500 to run my Strap 2 Salt 3 with factory battery that I am running? I would just add another lithium battery. These batteries, they are able to discharge pretty quickly, so unless you're doing like strictly competition where you need insane amount, like the absolute most amount of power for like 3 to 5 seconds, I believe that another LTO 6.0 is going to be your best bet in this daily driver type of application. So anyway, that's going to be our last question for frequently asked questions segment number 32. If you ever have any questions, you can give us a call at 702-701-9800. Or you can always hit the contact us option on the website under the contact us option tab. Contact it. contact tab. Anyway, so be sure to hit us up if you need anything. If not, don't forget about the Down4Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab. We will see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP83s on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.